For this third grade game, you are basically going to be playing a game of I Spy, and it has to do with place value. So before you get started for this first version, this one only has 2 digits. So talking through with students the tens place and the ones place, and having that visual available for them. Then what I do is, however many students are in the group, I pass out cards to them that they can have. And it's helpful, especially if you've got a lower group of students, for their cards to be visible. So let's say there are 3 of us in the group. I would just hand out one for me, you, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then if there's an extra, that's okay. So it looks like we've got 3, 3, and 4. So it just happened that way. Then what I do is I would call out the clues that go along with the numbers. So I'm looking for a number that has a 3 in the ones place. And we would all look at our numbers, and the person that had the 23 has a 3 in the ones place. So then they would get to keep the card. They have a point. Now I'm looking for a number with an 8 in the tens place. This person had it, they get a point, and they could kind of set that card to the side. Next clue, 9 in the tens place. Whoever's got it, 9 in the tens place. I actually don't see one in our set. It might be missing. I don't see one. So let's do a different one. 4 in the tens place. Yep, 46. This person gets to keep it, gets the point. However you want to track points, if you want to track them on a piece of paper, they might really like that, whatever's simplest to you. But basically, there are clues that match up with the cards, and we're just playing a game of matching. If that round goes really well and it's pretty easy for them, you can go to a harder version of the game. And this harder version of the game actually goes out to the thousands place. And so, same thing, make sure you have a visual for them. We have our thousands, and I say the TH for thousands with a comma, hundreds, tens, and ones, just so that they have that visual. Then you can go ahead and pass out the cards. Let's say that there are 3 players again. You just deal them out so that each player has an even amount, as even as it can be. If you want to modify the rules of this game slightly, it's fine. We're just really wanting to analyze place value. After that, you would read the clue. 4 in the tens place is this first clue, so then they would all need to look at their cards to see, do I have a card that has a 4 in the tens place? Oh, there it is. So this person would have that card and they could get the point. So that's it for this game. Again, make it your own. If it's not working out, you could find a different way to find the matches, but that's one way to play. Have fun with them.